afternoon, y'all. It's 2:30 and I'm just not getting on here. Last night and this morning ain't been it. I don't know what's going on, but it ain't been it. So I got an hour before everybody come home and I'm trying to hurry up and cook dinner. We're gonna have spaghetti tonight. Well, baked penne. It's all spaghetti to me. Yeah, so I'm trying to get that together. And, my husband is from St. Louis, for those that don't know. And apparently in St. Louis, when you have spaghetti, you gotta have a meat. The spaghetti is not a meal, it's a side. So we usually have fish and spaghetti. And on the days I don't make the fish, I'm gonna run up here to this not a grocery store, a restaurant, and pick up some fried fish. And make some what is it called? I want to say cheese bread, garlic bread to go with this. And that's gonna be dinner. Hopefully they don't eat it all up today and they might get a little something of it tomorrow. So that's what we got going on right now. This morning I just got up and did my devotion. So I'm still reading Luke. Just for those I saw on, I don't know where it was, but someone's like, if you're looking for something to read, Luke is a good book to read in the month of December, you know, up until Christmas. It has 24 chapters. And of course it talks about the birth and life of Jesus. And just saying, you know, that'll take you into the Christmas season, Christmas Day, you know, while we celebrate Christmas, all of that. So I just wanted to get back into reading my Bible, like, you know, not reading it to study, but just reading the stories. Just to be in the know, you know. So that's where we are. I did John before. I read a couple of them. John, Joshua. I can't think of nothing else right now. Those are the two recent ones that I did. I was trying to go, you know, flip back and forth. Just pick a book in New Testament, read that, and when I'm done with that, flip the Old Testament, pick a book there. So that's what we got going on. So I'm still reading Luke. So I did my devotion this morning, and then I made me a grilled cheese and bacon. I don't like a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich, but I can eat a grilled cheese sandwich with bacon and scrambled eggs. Okay. But when you put it all together, that's disgusting. Don't do that. I'm just trying to get the chunks out this, that's hurting my arm. Out this hamburger meat. So I want to at least have this in the oven by the time I go pick up the shrimp. Nope, the fish. Ooh, I should give me some shrimp. No, I'm gonna just get, I don't know, now that I said it, it must be a sign. I'm supposed to have some shrimp. I might do that. What y'all eat with y'all spaghetti? Because when we was growing up, you know, now that I think about it, when we was growing up, I feel like some days we did have some fried chicken. But my husband doesn't eat chicken. Yeah. So he had fish. And if you ever go to St. Louis, that's the meal you're gonna get, fish and spaghetti. I remember he had a friend that he knew from, I guess, high school. He was married. He married, you know, a girl from St. Louis. And they invited us, I think we went somewhere and he was talking to her like, when you making spaghetti, tell me what you, and she was like, we having fish with our spaghetti. It's like, see, you know, that was when we first got married. He was like, see, you think I'm crazy? That's what we do in St. Louis. And we're like, okay. Okay. So that's what they do in St. Louis, honey. They have fish and spaghetti. And I'm just tired of having spaghetti noodles, so I just switch up the noodles. That's what I'm doing. And I can actually call the order in for the fish and have it ready so I don't have to sit and wait. We'll see how that goes. I need to cut up some onions and peppers. So this is the spaghetti sauce I'm gonna use. Well, one is tomato and basil classico, and this one says spicy tomato and basil. And I made this last time. I used it last time and it tasted good. I was like, okay, we're gonna get that again. And I hope it was the sauce and not my seasoning, because I don't know what seasoning I use. I just put some stuff in there. We have been working all morning. Did I say I can't wait for vacation? And speaking of vacation, I done did all that talking yesterday. Told y'all, you know, we had the hotel and everything prepared and all that stuff. And then my husband come today trying to change it. I'm like, dude, where was you at when I was making all the plans? So now he wants to stay somewhere else. So tonight we're supposed to look into that. Tonight we're going to look at the different options that we have. And hopefully we can get everything finalized today. So I hope y'all are having a wonderful, today Thursday. Are y'all excited about Christmas? I'm excited. I'm probably most excited because we're going somewhere. So I don't know. But either way, I'm excited. Let me tell y'all the other thing I don't think I ever did. I don't think I made spaghetti in this, or at least the spaghetti sauce in this cast iron pan before. So I hope it don't overflow. Okay, so I'm gonna finish getting this spaghetti together, and I'm gonna meet y'all in the car, and we're on the way to pick up the shrimp. Now look at my head, like a hot mess. Do this last minute stuff for the trip. My husband is here. He is so excited. See? Okay, what are we doing? Oh, I need to go cancel that other one. The hotel.
What hotel?
That you say you don't want to stay at.
Which one you sent me with the 2 rooms?
Right, so this, I sent you 2 of them. We need to be.
They're both the same.
No, they're in 2 different places. I gotta look it up because.
They got the same pictures.
I mean, it's the same. It's just 2 different addresses. The name, I'm on here now.
What are your phone? Of course.
I don't need that. You.
Apparently you do.
Dear Lord. 20th to 23rd. One travel. What's wrong with this basketball game?
It turns.
I think don't say that now. I don't know what you
Come on,
got. Exactly. You come over here with me.
No.
What you want, hotel? Oh, you don't want no hotel. What was it called? Fairfield? How much was yours?
It's cold outside. Cold
show you what I got from Bath and Body Works. And just the FYI, I'm not a person that wastes money. I'm not a person that wastes money or, you know, like do too much spending. I still have candles from the summer that I haven't used. So like my smell in the house now is summery smell, which is why I went to Bath and Body Works to get the winter or fall scent. So I only got 4 candles and I had a coupon, but I got these the wallflowers. Now baby, I'm gonna use the heck out of these. So I did get these wallflowers and I got the free plug-in, which was part of the coupon. Let me tell you the smells of this that I got. These were 5 for $27, I think. 5. So I got Black Cherry Merlot. Mackenzie she likes that scent in her bedroom. Strawberry Snowflakes. Mahogany Teakwood. Sugar Snickerdoodle. I got this candle also, so it smells good, so I picked it up. And then this last one is Vanilla Bean Noel. And I like vanilla, so that's why I picked that one. The candles that I got, this first one, Sugared Snickerdoodle. I don't know about no notes. All I know is it smells good. This one is Peach Bellini. Again, I told you I don't use, the candle. I don't use the candles the whole season. So I got this one to take me into spring, and I'm sure I will not have used these by the time spring come around. So I got this one to carry me in the spring when that season comes, Lord willing. This one is Twisted Peppermint. Oh, I had this before. It smells so good. Again, don't know nothing about no notes. Y'all look them up if you want to. Twisted Peppermint. I love it. And the last one, Vanilla Birch. And I just got this one because it had vanilla in it. It smells good. Oh, it smells so good. And this one might actually be one I could take into the spring season also. So I'm definitely going to use this Snickerdoodle and Twisted Peppermint first, and kind of save these other two for going into the spring season. And by that time, it'll be time they'll have another sale. I can go get some more. They told me this plug-in lights up, so I gotta strategically place this somewhere because you don't need to be in nobody's bedroom where it's lighting up all night. That's gonna be irritating, so I gotta remember that when I do that. So yeah, I just ran to Bath and Body Works earlier. So that was today, Saturday. Fun. Getting ready to go to bed, like I said, and I'll talk to y'all in the morning. Bye.